Hello. So alright, now in this course I'm going to show you how you can actually make money by creating mobile application for people and you collect money, how you can also monetize your app and you start earning in USD like you can see on my screen presently now. So this is an Admob account where your earnings is being shown, when you monetize your application with Google. So they actually pay you a certain amount of money depending on the traffic that is coming on your app. So I'm going to be showing you all the skills and tricks that you actually need to be able to earn this money. And as you can see, I'm going to show you a proof of everything that I've done so far and the withdrawals that I've actually made. So presently now, currently this is my earning progress. So you can see it's yet to meet the $100 threshold, and you can see my last withdrawal is 123 USD. So let me just briefly take you through and see some other withdrawals that I've actually made from this. Okay, let me just change it here and show you. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. Alright, so as you can see, these are the list of the withdrawals payments that have actually been made. You can see them. This 118, this 101, this 160. So what I'm actually telling you, as you can see, this is actually 2023. So you don't think that this is just a long time thing that this guy is trying to teach us. No, this September, this October, no. Alright, so let me also show you some other things that you also be interested in. So let me show you how I get paid from this Admob. So I'm going to show you one of my domiciliary account, because in this course I'm going to be teaching you also how you can create domiciliary account for you to be able to actually get your payment. So this one of the domiciliary accounts I use, and I've actually made a course on this, so it's also part of the course package. Let's just take a look. You can see this is my domiciliary account, one of them, and you can see that there's still a balance of 5 USD on it. So this is the evidence of my withdrawal. You can see cash withdrawal 120, 180, this 100, 100, 100. So you can see their inflow from Google Island. So that's showing you as an evidence and as a proof. Also in this course I'll be showing you how you can publish your mobile application to Google Play Store. So this is my own Google developer account, and I've published over 72 applications on my Google developer account. So let me just briefly show you. So my account I've published, you can see over 72 apps, and this is actually where you can actually generate your traffic. So Google Play Store is one of the best ways for you to generate. So you can also create your own Google developer account, or if you don't have the money, you can also seek people to publish for you. So in which I also do, I publish out for people. So you can see there are different apps on this my account, and actually publish it for people. So and I can also do that for you as well. So I'm just encouraging you to take this course when it's still at the promo price, and you can as well start earning now, because it is the right time for you to actually learn a good skills that can actually give you good payment and good source of income. So this is just a side hustle. Once you learn to develop your app, how to convert web to app, how to build different kinds of apps. So I'm going to show you, and you don't even need coding experience before you can actually do all these things. So I'm going to mentor you and even ensure that you are able to go perfect in doing all these things. So take this course. I'm just encouraging you. So I think this is just something you need to do right now. So if you are interested, just take the right step and get the course, and let's get started. Okay, all right.